Yo, 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 avocado. It's the hottest thing still. And why not? It's packed with vitamins and nutrients and monounsaturated fats. It's just a sciencey word for healthy fats. But what we really care about, being that it's a fruit, is what kind of sweets does it make? That answer right here, right now on this Make and Taste. Welcome to Mama Reubo's Kitchen. Make and taste. Basically, I'm gonna make a recipe that I found, taste it, and tell you my thoughts. So, let's get into it. So first, the recipe calls for chocolate, which is part of my BC squared, which are ingredients that make virtually any dish better. Those are bacon, cheese, butter, chocolate. So right now, I already see a potential for this dish. It's super simple too, which gets major bonus points. So, let's get started. Now in a food processor or a blender, you're gonna add 2 large avocados. A half a cup of cocoa powder. A 1/4 of a cup of honey or agave nectar. Now, if you don't like honey or don't have it on hand, you could also use sugar as well. You're just gonna use a half a cup of sugar or a half a cup of brown sugar. 1/3 cup of coconut milk. Now, you can also substitute the coconut milk as well. You can use either regular milk or any other nut-based milk or soy or, whatever milk you like. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon. Now, we're gonna blend that until it's nice and smooth. Just make sure you scrape down the bowl at least once. And then this goes in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes. All right, time to give it a taste. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that is really chocolatey. Oh my God, but it almost tastes like the pudding cups that we used to get as like a kid, like before Jell-O became like a better pudding cup. I would say though that there might be a little too much chocolate, or at least the chocolate is just too bitter. It is, it's really good. Maybe for me, I like things a little bit more sweet. So I'd say it needs to sweeten it up a little bit. Like maybe some more honey, or maybe I can add a little bit of sugar with the honey. The cocoa powder is a little bit bitter, so we need something to either cut down the bitterness of the cocoa powder, maybe just use less cocoa, or add actual chocolate. That might work. Yeah, I would say either less cocoa, a little bit more sweetener. But again, that's also gonna depend on your taste. Like if you like things less sweet, then probably this recipe is perfect for you. But if you like things more sweet like I do, then you wanna add a little bit more sugar, maybe some real chocolate to kind of like undercut the bitterness of the cocoa powder. But all in all, it's still really delicious. Like it's not like an avocado taste. It's like, it's just pudding. That's my take on it. Oh man, still pretty good though. Chocolate avocado pudding, deliciousness on a spoon. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below any avocado dishes that you've had or you want to have, and any sweets that you've seen avocado show up in. If you like this Make and Taste video and want to see more, then sound off in the comments below. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.